Hey, good evening. So I bought a set of knives, just the knives, and it was the cheapest set on Amazon, and I already did a video on those. My wife went and bought me a set also at the same time. We kind of got our signals crossed, but she bought a complete set. So this is the cheapest complete set on Amazon. So it comes with a bag, comes with gloves, a spoon blank, that's basswood, comes with spoon carving knife. Okay, it has a safety tip for the very tip. Is it sharp? Well, it's got an edge on it. I don't know how sharp it is, but it's sharp. So there's the spoon carving knife. Now the name on these is Prugna. I'm not sure about that. So we have the big knife. It comes with a tip, but not a plastic cover. Okay, I have no idea what kind of wood this is, but let's give it a shot. So there's some basic cuts. There's the stripping cut. To me, this knife feels comfortable. To me, it's long enough that I can push back here and get a good bit of the blade. I'm not at the tip. So to me, this feels good. If it feels good, I can take care of sharp. So to me, this feels okay. I keep putting those on because they're new. In reality, let's do something about that. Okay, so this is what I call a detail knife. I'm not wild about the shape. It works, but to me it's a little more awkward because of its shape. I could always take this handle off and put another one on, but I want to use it for a while and see how it feels. I probably want to put some finish on this. Now the gloves, nice gloves. You still get dexterity. You actually hold these better, I think, and you protect yourself, especially on that angle cut. When I was cutting down like this, I should have had gloves on. These actually feel good on your hands. Some of them that I've worn, I don't feel like I can hold as good. These are nice and tight on my hands. I like that. The other set I have is loose. So as you can see, they both work. Both sets work. This was the cheapest all-in-one set for $24. And you get one piece of leather. I'll glue this down to a piece of wood, charge it with the compound that they give you. They don't give you much, but in reality, for this knife, you don't need much. I think that's probably a couple of ounces. Once I charge this, I shouldn't really need that much of it to keep it charged after that. So I'll do another video on charging the strop, mounting it. Time will tell how sharp they stay. If a knife is a good quality knife, you will sharpen it and it'll stay sharpened for a period of time. The longer it stays sharpened, the better blade it is. And these blades look okay. They don't look perfect. They look like they need stropped right now. So anyway, this is what you get. You get a nice bag to put it in that isn't quite big enough. Spoon carver, which I don't plan on doing that yet. I'll come back and do a demo of that when I get into that. I like that they give you a blank. That could be a nice deep spoon. You have your compound. You have a couple of sandpaper sponges, but I probably won't use that. Okay, so there's the knives. I think they're okay. They're not expensive, but they've got the right shapes. And you get these gloves, which I really like these gloves. The other pair I have isn't tight on my hand, and because of that, I don't think it does as good a job. Cheapest complete knife set on Amazon for about 24 bucks. If you liked the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.